Champagne Pool, New Zealand. A vibrant and colorful geothermal spring in Waiatapu Thermal Wonderland, known for its champagne-like bubbles on the surface. Mount Thor, Canada. Home to Earth's greatest vertical drop, a nearly sheer, 4,101-foot, 1,250-meter, cliff face in Canada's Uyuni National Park. The Stone Forest, China. A remarkable collection of limestone pillars and rock formations that resemble a forest of stone trees. The Fly Geyser, USA. A human-made geothermal geyser in Nevada, known for its striking, otherworldly appearance due to mineral deposits. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. A massive underwater sinkhole, often described as one of the world's best diving spots, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The world's largest salt flat, which, after rainfall, turns into a giant mirror, creating a breathtaking, infinite reflection of the sky. Mount Erebus, Antarctica. The southernmost volcano on Earth, continuously active and home to a lake of lava in its summit crater. Antelope Canyon, USA. A slot canyon in Arizona known for its stunning, wave-like, and spiraling rock formations carved by wind and water. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. A natural gas field that has been burning for decades, creating a surreal and fiery crater in the desert. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. This massive flat-topped mountain, the inspiration for Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World, is a geological marvel that straddles Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil. These natural wonders are awe-inspiring, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet's landscapes.